For Villa here. Stack, he has a go! Oh! That is magnificent! Absolutely magnificent from Anton Stack. Sensational free kick.
Conor Gallagher, players in white waiting in the middle, including Solanke! City and Spurs from 2 down have leveled it.
Maler. Oh, ist die Klasse! Ist die Klasse! Was für ein Tor! Was für ein Tor! Es ist immer noch Karneval in Köln.
He's been found. Aubert coming in at the far post. Foloruncho! Oh my word! A piece of brilliance! Incredible goal! You look at it from that angle, it's one of the best strikes you'll ever see.
На 132. Пьедрита. Чудесно комбинираха двамата с Петко Панайотов. Зашеметяващо изпълнение, което открива резултата на националния стадион.